Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Duke to survive Metro Exodus, updated. Start by saving before major choices and note key NPC triggers so you can revert if needed. Focus on keeping Duke alive through priority tasks, avoid unnecessary risks, and track inventory for medkits and ammo. I will walk you through critical decision points, timing windows, and practical movement tips to keep Duke safe through tense encounters. Decisions matter and small changes can flip outcomes quickly, so aim for calm solutions and patience in firefights. Use stealth paths to bypass overwhelming forces and create diversions when direct fights risk Duke's life. Prioritize missions that let you reach checkpoints with Duke intact and avoid sacrificing medkits or armor needlessly. I will explain which choices keep Duke flagged as alive in the game logic and when to reload wisely. Combat can be brutal, so guide Duke with cover and careful pacing to reduce exposure to heavy fire. Use suppressive shots and smoke to create safe windows for movement, and move as a pair through choke points to avoid isolation. Save grenades and medkits for critical moments when Duke or you take damage, and prioritize flanking to shorten encounters. These tactics cut down random deaths and boost survival consistency for both characters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.